you have to say for the camera? What do you have to say for the camera? Ramara, go in here see it. You see you start break the rule already? Eh? You just reach and you start break the rule already. Look on him.
Hey guys. Say hello, it's hot.
And so the boy in the car seat and the boy is sweat. Like we take him out and the whole clothes wet up. Only hot. And we have an AC. So I don't know that will work. First day, we didn't reach up yet.
Boy, you can't bathe in the hot water down your so.
See feet there and the luggage and Rissa.
Don't talk to me, but you at me. Don't talk to me, hungry.
You hungry?
Hungry, me eat a
So guess which bar we there? We there, okay, look. We buy Guinea. Yo, 150 like one bung Guinea now, you know? When me there Jamaica to Ratty, I get one bungalow Guinea for $50, $100. No, 150. I never tasting it because I'm hungry, so I don't want to eat no. So we're at KFC drive-thru. Feet there, they'd be hungry, so we're in the line about 1 hour now. I can't get no food, and we have a couple more vehicles left in front of us. So we're at KFC and which street is here? I don't know if probably there. But around you know, did he? What was the name, babes? You remember what was the name, you know?
It's right across from
Right across from Harmony Park. So we are at the KFC in town. Like right at bottom road here, so. So I read this over there, they try and get some food, but we're in the line, man, forever. Like,
that's very hard, dude.
and Miss William decided saying go up without getting famous KFC chicken. So it's down in the line and wait. Everybody hungry. Feet round the room. Risa round the. Why Risa? Where we at Risa? Oh my, oh God. So
we have an eat from morning. What time
we
is it?
leave out from, we wake up from 4 o'clock this morning. And the only thing we have at Tim Hortons at the airport. That's the only thing. And it's now 3:20 and we're not eat yet. Is something you want to talk?
Hello. Stop it. So put you up. No, go back now.
So we have 2 more vehicles left in front of it. And so we're close. They're on the home stretch. The boy they love to get food.
Sing and drink.
Somebody say, yo. Where you see you want to do for you? Going back?
I mean,
Which part?
I miss Canada. I miss Canada weather.
What?
I miss Canada weather.
Because there was
so
breeze.
damn hot.
So you miss Canada with that, so go back to Canada not now.
It's not as hot as here. It's in a pot and door, it a pulse.
Take a money bug. See that?
And I literally have.
No other more? No? Yeah, again.
So I just come down, but I don't get none of the new money yet. See me have to spend all money. See that? So we buy a 15-piece bucket. Trying to say more bucket. 15-piece. And I only try them alone and eat it because I don't eat it. I had a famous bowl for myself. I had a famous bowl for myself and a large and a fries and a corn. And them are the same thing as well, large fries and corn. So I know where them will eat food.
You have now, eat now and later.
Yeah.
We have
Miss
a movie.
Williams.
Go have a movie
Miss
next.
Williams have planned, but we have a lot of work ahead of we when we go up. Like
Tell 'em go
whole
drink
heap.
water.
Hi. Hello. How you doing? Mr. George. Mr. George. Hey. Mr. George. Yeah, so. Oh, what the fuck? Look at that one. So.
Is there something come with juice? Or just a juice?
We have one more person in front of me, so yeah, them say they have about 2 liters soda.
So that's it. We have to go ask them to pick up.
They have to give me a cup, you want me make nice? Alright, Risa, them know. Risa, we a cup!
Need hurt me.
We said you're making it, them.
We
Yeah,
get
I
it,
think you go hard if you got better.
we get it, making collect. So, them have a new drink now where them call sitting there. Them have it a give away on the roadside. And then throw 2 give me. So we try. I guess I new drink on the street. So them say
Oh, Grace.
non-alcohol drink. So and it's original and it's a Grace making. So anything Grace make good. Now say nothing bad about Grace.
Now go backwards.
Risa, you're almost there. Wait.
We just say you gotta go backwards.
Somebody put in the money and not give me no.
Oh Lord. We'll finally set you up properly.
You put it in the bag. Put it on.
Huh?
It's right here. Not that bad.
MG?
Mm-hmm.
No mind. In traffic. Where is it? Rush hour? Rush hour down here now?
Help, man. Kidnap
No,
me.
no.
Help! But them are feeding me good though. Lock your
Guys. I don't eat KFC overseas.
Why you feel fried now?
Yeah, some-
You don't, yeah, why is it?
Which are you want more meat?
Oh, yeah.
Eh?
Okay, tell me how much meat you eat.
2 piece.
Yeah,
Eh?
just pop it in here.
What kind of meat you want?
Any.
No, that onion so.
Eh?
Thank you.
Are this piece near any?
The piece we just get.
You don't know what about fried man, Mario.
I didn't film fries you have a film fries. I've been having film fries. I don't know now.
You don't tell me say chips stop it move.
Gave you one single fry.
And then yeah.
The only people that give me the worst drinks in the place.
Never drink
I
anything.
don't know why it
What
hurts.
you ask for?
I don't ask nothing else. I have the combo. And then if I ask what kind of drinks more.
Mm-hmm.
I said then give you what kind of drink them things they should give you.
You like it, baby?
Yeah, Daisy?
Yeah, come and make it.
No.
Let me taste. Being a make it. Mario, hey! Are you that close? Me and her pop.
Just my Pepsi pan, maybe we taste it.
No.
Let me taste it before you add 50.
You have to perfect fine now with this bag.
Okay, they put them out when I say taste something you take you all
Yeah,
like.
yeah, fried. Yes, I'm back. Yes, lick fried.
Pass it, give me.
Nice, nice.
Jesus have mercy, faith. You do a joke.
Drink on.
Alright.
How are you the drinks? I don't drink the drinks.
Fiat, fiat.
I don't drink your drinks.
No one just wait.
Eh? I don't know why you do it, but I'm not drinking. Me get the cup full and give me back.
Yo,
Give
where
me
we
back
set
water.
what the hell? Mario.
Sound fest. I come here 1 year when I go to work or stop. Because I come down early to go to work. I make me park up right here so. I watch people, I watch him on stage. Me hear everything. I'm see artist. Apa dia bisa orang tu sudah? Ina kaki?
Ina kaki. Hey, hey.
Pia dia yang work sana.
You can't take them off. But that's here. Hold this.
Take and transfer this again.
Give it.
Yeah, go take a minute, turn red. I don't know how much for that.
So, get by. Arisa do you?
Get it now.
Arisa
Hey,
please.
you take your price.
Hot. A hot thing hot.
Oh shit.
Mommy, I forgot. You're fine.
What is up, babes? Stop at gas station. Get some gas.
You're hot.
Yes.
Alright. These are right. That feel better?
You wanna walk across the road? That's something I don't want in life.
You just need to eat. Mr. Can't take your box.
What box? What box?
The one where you
The
have.
box can't move. The box is huge. You don't see how big the box
I
is.
have to go home for a second. I'm hungry, man.
Hey.
What are you? Don't go get it.
Alright.
Here.
Alright.
You can go. Back.
One cooking soda for me. It's not here.
Pops, what's wrong?
AC cola food.
Yeah. Witness the AC name cool. I know you want to say AC cool for me. That's what it start driving.
That's something I want to cola for me. Because when I'm really cold, it'll make it act up.
Use the bottom there, babe. Look, see something turn.
Freaking.
Wow.
Oh, there.
Oh, no, love cranberry water, but it's too cold. It's too cold, I can't drink it.
You never seen games?
Yeah, you see me.
Hotty. And it crying, just make him exhausted.
If you could clear off the bush from on the side.
Auntie Samantha said, Karen live on the fun. Day and night.
Oh, you go again?
Huh? That's how we go to grandma's house, go straight up.
You might ask that question.
Oh, am I cold?
You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, yeah. Inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste your inner being. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis and never sleep. Yeah, never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep. Take up some space. Yeah. You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, yeah. Inhabit all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste your inner being. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis and never sleep. Yeah, never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good.
Once you edit it,
say you're bad from which part? Tell a pussy we no gun dip tag. Like Chinese rice or the clip tag. Throw it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know what none of this cars, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did bad. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep from. See them full of bang like this tag. They feel me kike, me know the enemy. Them a play, me know they not sorry for me. People are bad and a skin, cause we bad than with me. Bloody guy skin calamity. I saw we shoot out planes, figure Canada chick. Make them have a experience, no gravity. Tell a pussy we no laugh, so we'll take that. But you little people are dead dog. You shoulda keep in on your bed cause the Talibans them a make squad. We no laugh, we no take that. But this is how we end that. No shoot people for end up in a bed grass. No Talibans like them near we a twitch. Tight back fast, me a me twitch. Tight back, man a big all from twitch. Tight back fast, me a me twitch. Tight back, man a big all from twitch. Tight back fast, me a me twitch. Tight back, man a big all from twitch. Tight back fast, me a me twitch. Tight back like them give me a show guns. Make you no sleep by your yard in a 4 months. So we make people a more now. Like y'all get f***ed on a whole house. That pass with a key got me show about.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my